If you want to improve your English, watch this story till the end. This story will help improve your spoken English. Confidence while teaching you a powerful life lesson. Every morning, David entered the same classroom. He always noticed one empty chair. No one ever sat there. The chair looked ordinary. But it reminded him of something important. David was shy. He loved learning English. But he was afraid to speak. Whenever the teacher asked a question, he knew the answer. Still, he stayed silent. He feared making mistakes. His classmates spoke confidently. David admired them. He wished he could speak like them. One day, the teacher smiled. She pointed at the empty chair. She said, "This chair belongs to the person you can become." Everyone looked confused. The teacher continued. "Every time you stay silent because of fear, this chair remains empty." Those words stayed in David's mind. The next morning, he made a decision. He would speak at least one English sentence every day. His first sentence was simple. "My name is David." His voice shook. Some students smiled. But no one laughed. The next day, he spoke again. Then again. Every day became a little easier. He started reading English stories aloud. He listened to English conversations. He learned 5 new words every day. He practiced speaking in front of a mirror. Sometimes he made mistakes. Instead of feeling embarrassed, he learned from them. Weeks passed. David became more confident. His pronunciation improved. His vocabulary grew. His fear became smaller. One afternoon, the teacher asked for a volunteer to give a short speech. The classroom became silent. This time, David raised his hand. He walked to the front of the class. He took a deep breath. Then he spoke clearly. His classmates listened carefully. When he finished, everyone applauded. The teacher smiled proudly. After class, she walked to the empty chair. She gently pushed it toward David. "This chair is not empty anymore," she said. "It belongs to the confident person you have become." David smiled. He finally understood the meaning of the chair. Success was never about being perfect. It was about taking the first step. Years later, David became an English teacher. He helped thousands of students overcome their fear of speaking. In every classroom, he kept one empty chair. Whenever a student felt afraid, David pointed to the chair. He said, "One day, this chair will belong to the confident version of you." Many students smiled. Many students believed him. And many students changed their lives. Moral: confidence does not come before action. Confidence grows every time you speak, practice, and refuse to give up.